Good morning, guys. Oh my god. I know that you know what this vlog is about because you've just seen the title and you've just seen the thumbnail. Today is a very special day as I wanted to share with you a new step in my life. This is my new acquisition and this is my first baby. So I bought my first car.
I've been drinking all night, just excuse me, I don't know what I'm saying. All these bitches, I don't know who I'm slaying. I just swing it, I don't know where I'm staying. Yeah, I've been drinking all night, please come get me, I just set my location. Off a beat, it's gonna be so hard to wake 'em. Tuck the weed, you know I'm still on probation. Yeah, I've been drinking all night, I've been drinking all night. Yeah, yeah. I've been drinking all night, I've been drinking all night. I've been drinking all night, I've been drinking all night. Yeah, yeah. Ask all the niggas on the block tryna holla, oh me, oh my. But they can't have that cause she my nigga. Why you even tryna holla if you my nigga? Matter of fact, I ain't even gotta ask what your undercover ass.
This is very exciting for me. As this is my first ever car. I have passed, oh hold on. Renato is texting me because I am about to meet him. I will be on my way in 5. This is very special to me, not because it's my first car or anything, but because I have passed my driving more than a year ago now, and I haven't been able to buy my car. And now being able to buy my first car is by far one of the biggest steps I've ever done. I know it's just a car. It might not mean a lot to a lot of people because it is a Polo, but this is the car I've always wanted as the first car because you're still learning how to drive and all that. So this car is so easy to drive, and I've always loved VWs, like it was always in the family, so it was only right to get a VW. And I am so excited. I can't even express like the feeling. I actually filmed the moment I got the car on my Snapchat. So I'm just gonna show you. What's happening?
I don't know.
I'm buying my car. So yeah, that was just the clip I filmed. I haven't shared it anywhere. And I haven't told a lot of people. I've only told 2 people apart from Renato and my parents. The reason why I haven't told Rennie, and you know who Rennie is, but if you don't, she's my best friend, my bestest friend. That girl means the world to me. And oh my god, I'm so getting emotional now. I haven't told her because she was away. She went on holidays to bloody America. So she wasn't present on my birthday. That's why she didn't go on my birthday, but I think I told you that. So today, guys, I am going to meet Rennie and Josh. And I am taking you with me because, guys, if there are people that appreciate my success, mine and Renato's, because this is also Renato's success because he did help me a lot. If there are people that appreciate my success and they're always there for me no matter what, especially in my bad moments, it's Rennie and Josh. And we've been through a lot together, like a lot, for the past 2 years. I know it's not a long time, but it wasn't 2 years of, oh yeah, we're friends. It was 2 years of a lot that we've been through, trust me. So, without further ado, I'm on my way to meet Renato because he's working. And if you don't know, he's a mechanic in Honda. And he's gonna service my car, change oils, charge my AC, do all of that because obviously the car needs to be serviced because it's a new car. So he needs to know that everything is perfect. And later on, we are meeting Rennie and Josh after lunch. I'm gonna drive to their house with Renato. I'm just gonna park outside. I'm gonna tell them, oh, can you come down? And they're gonna see the car. And they're gonna be so happy. I know they're gonna be so happy for me. It's gonna be a surprise for them as well because we always travel together. Like we always travel in Renato's car. So right now we're gonna travel in mine as well. And we haven't seen each other for 2 whole bloody weeks. 2 weeks, that is a long time because we always see each other. So yeah, that's the plan, and I thought I'd vlog because this is such an important moment for me, especially because Rennie and Josh, it's going to be the first time reacting to this as well, so I wanted to get it on camera. I wanted it to be perfect, and I wanted you to be part of it as well, because I always film everything really. So I thought, I am vlogging. I actually decided that when I was in the shower, I was like, oh, I'm gonna vlog today. I need to go because Renata was texting me saying, where are you? So it's finishing at 12:30. No, at 1 o'clock. And I'm supposed to be there at 12, but it's currently 11:47. Okay, so Renata just serviced my car. I couldn't film obviously because I couldn't be inside the workshop. Everything has been changed, everything has been serviced, everything is fine. I do need to buy parts for this car because some things I don't like, or some things have been repaired previously badly. For example, the skirts on each side. I think they were like a dent or something, and for them they wanted to fix it, but by fixing it they didn't do it properly, so it's just, it doesn't look nice. So I said to Renata, maybe I'll look at a Polo R skirts because they're nice. I mean, and maybe I'll just put it there, or I'll get black ones because I want to change this car and I want to change it with black stuff, so like black wheels, black spoiler, black lip. I'm gonna change the bumper in this car as well for maybe the Polo R or something, or the GTI. I'm not sure. That is all down to Renato. So yeah, everything has been serviced. Rennie and Josh, we've been talking to them. They will be meeting them at around 3, so it's 1:25 now. Renato's finishing work right now. I mean, he finished at 1 o'clock, but he was kindly enough to finish a little bit later to change the rest of the stuff. I think I can hear his car. I think I can. Oh, that's not his car. It's his car. I can. Yeah, look. Hello. Hello. I was just telling them that you just serviced my car.
Yes, I did.
How are we going?
Yeah.
To your house?
To my house.
Gonna get changed and then we'll be on our way to Rennie and Josie.
So guys, I took over now. That's how we do. We just came from my house, we just had lunch, and now we're on the way to Rennie's and Josh's house. We're gonna show them the car. We're gonna make the surprise.
I'm very excited to show
I'm very excited to show them as well. It's gonna be so good. They're gonna be like, what? They don't have a clue. They don't have
no
a clue.
idea. I told them I haven't posted anything anywhere. Only 2 people know apart from you and my parents and your mom.
Yeah, exactly.
Only Jessica and my cousin know. So
crazy, it's crazy. I'm gonna love. I actually want to see the reaction in that. I really want to get the reaction on their faces.
On their faces.
I really want to get the reaction so you guys can see. It's gonna be so good.
Yeah, it is.
My baby driver, you know what I mean? Look at it. Bup, bup. We just arrived at their house. We parked the car right there so they can see right in front of them.
We're gonna show them when we go cinema because that's more like natural. Because normally they don't come down, so we're just gonna go upstairs.
Basically, she said in the car, I can't contain it, I can't contain it. You will contain it, so shut up. Oh, she's loving it. Let's go. Hello.
I rang the wrong door, but I don't think no one's answering. It's like 25.
So you rang the wrong door.
Yeah.
Well done. Hello!
Come here, bro.
Yeah, come here, my bro.
I
Miss you too, man.
Oh,
Man. Hello, American. Oh, look at these two. Look. Already, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
Oh, I miss you.
Finally. What? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. What happened to this? What's this?
Happy birthday!
Oh, your nails look nice.
Oh, thanks.
A little gold.
Yeah!
She's shaking, look at that.
I'm shaking, I'm so nervous.
Aww.
Aww.
I'm nervous.
Oh, you guys are amazing.
Thank you. It was like a dead birthday. Oh,
We all together now, finally. Hey!
happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Ooh. Blow the table out.
Just tell me to make a mess.
Ooh, what's that? What's that?
Oh, guys.
Oh wow.
You didn't have to.
Aww.
It's okay. Thank you. You didn't
It's
have
okay.
to.
It's okay.
Aww.
Oh, thank you. I'm fucking shaking. Oh my
We'll
god.
put a white thing.
Oh my god. Oh my god, why did you do that?
Oh, don't cry.
Oh, why did you do that? Oh my god. Stop.
You two fucking put tap buttons in.
They're both crying now.
They're crying with a man.
With the man just like,
You didn't have to. Oh my
well
god,
done,
that's so
mate.
much money.
Oh, look at both of them. Look at your face. Look at your face.
Oh guys, this is
Please
too
try them
much.
on though. Please try them on.
Is that why you asked me
Yes.
at your work what size am I?
She was right beside me.
Babe.
She was right beside me when you called me.
Oh my god! Be too small. No,
It's Narachi, isn't it?
oh my god, they're so nice! Are they too small?
Are they too
No,
small?
no, it's perfect.
Are you sure we can
Yeah.
get her size up?
Because we know
perfect.
Arachi's a bit hard to know them
Yeah,
sizes
it's
as well.
difficult. I bought size 9 in Harachis and
Yeah.
a size 8 before. They both fit.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Wow,
Oh my
so
god, they're
nice.
so
They're
pretty.
really nice.
Oh
They're
my god,
so
they're my
nice.
favorite shoes. Oh.
I can spray them with my Jason Mark stuff as well, so they don't get dirty.
Oh guys.
This is an ad for Jason Mark. Sponsor.
Jason Mark, this video is sponsored by Jason Mark.
There's also another cousin.
What the hell?
Slightly less impressive,
Slightly less impressive, yeah.
but
why
just as tasty.
It has been flown.
It has been flown. This has been smuggled through security from
And we
America.
even got stopped.
We got stopped because
I
of
was
this,
like-
and they thought it was cocaine or heroin
Oh.
because look at it.
Is this fragile? What should
No,
I
it's
do?
not that fragile.
Okay, can I turn it around? Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! It's a bloody
Wow! Looks or anything like
I
that.
literally messaged her. I said, "Oh my god, pumpkin spice drinks are out." Do you remember?
Oh,
Oh, thank you.
I'm so glad that you like your present.
I loved it. You know it so well.
I took a bit long to answer, innit?
Oh mate,
I bet you were stressing, innit?
I was in fucking JD like this.
I bet you were stressing. I bet you were stressing, yeah. Because you sent me the message, yeah?
We were there because we didn't like yesterday. We were too tired and shit.
You sent me the message like, oh, what does Josh want? I'm like, no, he's just checking the time, innit? Like, asking when we go into your house. And Anna was like, but I told Rennie. Like, yeah, but you know Josh, they're not in sync. Both of them, they're not in sync.
Right, are you ready?
I am ready.
All right then. Are you ready, guys? Josh.
What? Why have you locked yourself in there?
Oh, I need to go toilet. I need to go toilet. I need to go toilet. So hard.
I'm going with my new shoes.
Josh, do you find it hard to piss near people?
Yeah.
Let me film it. Because I get to take over. How you do?
So we're closing the video today.
Because,
Give it to me now. And he doesn't like it, huh?
the gang is out. The gang is out and dead. My car's over there, by the way. They're the best friends.
I'm so jealous.
I'm so happy. In it? Oh, oh, oh.
What the fuck? I can't fucking believe it. I'm low-key so fucking jealous as well. Like, I can't even tell you. Low-key, I want to kill you.
It's cheap as well, isn't it?
Spanner is driving.
I know! I know! Oh my god, I'm gonna cry!
This is the Spackmobile. Oh my god. And you just got a job at ITV.
I know!
Shit is going well for you, Spanner.
I know.
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
I'm so happy.
So excited! This girl bought a fucking car. She's been talking about buying a car for 3 years!
You've only known me for 2.
No. Ow.
That's the move. Josh obviously doing his research. Oh.
What was that? Oh, I thought that.
You thought it was what? You thought it was what? You thought it was what?
Something naked. I was
Naked?
like, it was a baby.
It's a fucking baby.
What?
What was that?
What are you having, babe? Wow.
Pumpkin spice latte. This is soya for Rennie, and that one is normal for me.
Oh, smell it.
Because pumpkin spice syrups, drinks are out.
We're gonna go to the cinema now. We're gonna watch The Angel Has Fallen, and then we're gonna watch It 2. That's the things that we have to eat in the cinema. They're laughing at me because I took over the camera again. So that's how we do.
Yeah, with the post notification shout out to whoever.
This is ready again.
Starbucks. If you're
Starbucks.
watching. Yeah,
Starbucks.
If you're watching, please, could you make me a sponsor? Shit.
You prefer Costa though?
I do, but I don't mind.
Oh.
Just seen.
Over again.
And Angel Has Fallen. Angel Has Fallen. It's a really good film.
Yeah, go and watch it. I thought it was something else because Randy said it was buildings falling down, but there was only a hospital falling down.
Anyway, it's the sequel of London Has Fallen and Olympus Has Fallen, and anyway, it's a really good film. I recommend you watch it. And now we're watching It.
2019, the Pepsi Max.
Anyway, now we're watching It 2. We've seen It 1 together.
Are you dead?
I am actually. My ear's blocked. My ear's blocked from my holiday.
No, we're watching it like straight after the other one. We thought we were gonna be late, but we're not.
If you're wondering why I've been carrying this blanket, it's because I don't like horror films. Anna likes horror films, and she always makes us go and watch horror films. So now, I bought a blanket.
What he's willing to do to set it right.
Oh, yes. So last year we watched The Nun, and that movie was something else. I'm telling you. So we brought this blanket,
The same one.
and I have a picture. I'm gonna send the picture right now for you, just for your laugh. As you saw, we were pretty.
It fucked us up. Can I swear on the phone? No. Yeah.
The impression. No. What did you think? Was it?
Fucking waste of time.
No, it was.
The first one.
So much better.
It was.
This was just
Too fake, too magical. Not magical, but like monsters and monsters and spiders with heads and body parts and
dead bodies.
yeah, and the dead bodies aren't dead. Like that guy.
And don't you think that like Pennywise wasn't in it as much as he was?
He wasn't.
Like in the last one.
I don't know why they done that.
Yeah. Crazy.
I like The Angel Has Fallen. I like that movie a lot.
Yeah, that was.
It was nice.
Really good. What do you want?
Angela Has Fallen. Angel has fallen. Fallen. Fallen? Fallen.
Oh, it's Angel that you're pronouncing.
Angel.
Angel.
What did I say?
Angel?
Angel? Oh, why are you so tall? Okay guys, we're home now. We're just gonna go to bed now. We're making the bed and I'm very tired, so
Me too, I'm very, very tired now.
Fall asleep
I want
straight
to
away.
fall asleep.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you did, you know all the stuff. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, Josh.
You know all the stuff.
And I hope you have enjoyed my little car as well.
You know all the stuff. Subscribe and like the video.
Well done. Thanks, babe. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and we shall see you very, very soon. Bye!